guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, Sweet Nourishing. Thank you for watching. For those who don't know me, I am Daniela. I'm from Colombia. I'm a pastry chef, and today I am making two delicious sauces featuring one dessert. So I'll be making a caramel sauce, a chocolate sauce that are gonna serve as a dipping for our dessert, which is a fruit fondue. So the idea with this dessert is that the summer is coming. It's an easy dessert, and it's amazing because it's dairy free, non-refined sugar, so low IG, and is of course gluten free. So let's have a look. Okay guys, so I have here my pot and my ingredients. I have my rice syrup, coconut sugar, coconut cream, and cocoa butter. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the rice syrup, the coconut sugar, and the cream together, and they're gonna reduce. When this is ready, we're gonna add the cocoa butter, and we're gonna let it reduce a little bit more, and that's how we're gonna have our caramel sauce. Let's have a look. So first I'm adding my rice syrup. Then I'm gonna add my cream. You wanna do this in a high temperature. So the caramel can reduce and the coconut can caramelize nice. Okay, I'm gonna add for a whisk. So here that is boiling, we're gonna let it reduce so we can have the thickness that we are looking for. I'm gonna add now my cocoa butter. This cocoa butter is gonna add like this scent of chocolate like, but also it's gonna help us when the caramel cools down to keep it a little bit thicker, just like a better consistency. Those who don't know, the cocoa butter is what we call the gold of the chocolate. It's like, to me, it's like the most important part that comes out of the cocoa beans. So you're gonna notice that the bubbles are gonna be thicker and like bigger. It's sort of like they are gonna do more effort, like the bubbles, and that's when you can realize that the caramel is about to be ready. so I'll just take a little bit in my spoon out, and you can pass your finger. If it's still like coming together very fast, you can give it a little bit longer. So I'm gonna leave it like that, because when the caramel cools down, it will get more thicker. So when you have your caramel ready, we're just gonna put it in a different bowl, and we're just gonna let it cool down. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make our chocolate sauce. This one is pretty simple. All we have to do is to put all our ingredients together in our pot. Just cut finely your chocolate and then let it boil while we are mixing it, and then it's gonna come beautifully together. After that, we're just gonna let it cool down, and that's it. Let's have a look. Okay, so today I'm using a chocolate that is sugar-free. You can find it very easily in the supermarket. It's made out of, they have replaced the sugar for stevia, and it's real chocolate that's made out of cocoa butter, cocoa beans, and stevia. Okay, so after I chopped my chocolate, let's gonna put our rice syrup first. Well, it really doesn't matter the order. We just need to put everything together, but I will definitely put the chocolate in the last moment. Okay guys, so at the end the sauce is gonna look like this. Right, just gonna turn off this, and here is your chocolate sauce. Okay, so I have ready my chocolate sauce, and I'm just gonna cool it down, and then it's gonna be ready for our fruit fondue. Okay, I'm excited because we have our chocolate sauce ready, our caramel sauce ready, and now we just have to put together our dessert. All you need is your favorite fruits. I have here banana, kiwis, strawberries, and some blueberries, but really you can use anything you like. The sky is the limit. So let's put this together. Let's start assembling this. So you're gonna need skewer, and so I'm gonna first put piece of banana, then, and I just want to make it pretty, right? Like just combine some colors. Have some kiwi, then I'm gonna add this blueberry, then I'm gonna add strawberry. I'm gonna go back for another kiwi, blueberry, right, then I put a small banana. Oh, this is a big one. And then I'm gonna top it with strawberry. for dessert. Okay, this is my favorite part. Let's try this. I'm gonna try first the chocolate sauce. Look at that. Yum. So good. Now, you can try the caramel sauce as well. Stick and nice. Just dip it there. Beautiful.